What are the principles of scientific method?
And there's I set up techniques that you use to acquire data information and be careful at times.
Okay, good. I think that's what it leads to, so that's good. That's very good. By the way, Andy Buck's favorite saying is that an economist's job is to test hypotheses. So this leads to that. This leads to that here. Yes, sir.
I'd say before you get to that step, you have to find data that are observable and organize them into some sort of cohesive form so that you can apply induction and deduction and come up with some sort of conjecture and then formulate a hypothesis based on that, then test it, come up with a conclusion, and then by looking at the conclusion you can raise questions for future research.
I have define the question, gather the information, form a hypothesis, perform experiments, collect data, analyze the data, interpret the data, and draw conclusions, publish results, and then retest if necessary.
Good. Anybody else?
I would just add, I stress the need for background research, which would not only hopefully give you an insight into causation as part of establishing your dependent and independent variable, but would also let you see if any prior research has been done in the field, so you don't go reinventing the wheel.
You know, generally speaking, you have a nifty idea. You hold it up there. If you hold it up there for the world to bash, and the world doesn't bash it right away, then maybe it's a hypothesis. You hold it up there a little bit longer, and if it's a good one, so it's a good hypothesis, then it can be tested. You hold it up there a little bit longer, and if a few more attempts come by and they were still unable to bash it down, then all of a sudden this great big hypothesis maybe becomes a theory or something like that. And if it's really up there for an awful long time, like let's say supply and demand, supply and demand was not always around, obviously, and when they came up with this hypothesis, there was a supply curve, demand curve, interact, this, that. It was a great hypothesis because it could be tested. And that's what made it so great. People could hold it up, people could test it, people could bash it down if they were able to, because collect data and test on it, and nobody was able to. Theory, and all of a sudden it's the law of supply and demand. So the point is that a very, very good hypothesis is one that can be tested, but nobody ends up rejecting it. And that introduces you into hypothesis testing. You want to try to model your hypothesis. Nobody ever accepts the law of supply and demand. They just fail to reject it. So a very good law, very good theory, a very good hypothesis. It's never truly accepted. People just fail to reject it. Hold it up there, you say it's here, take it, take the best shot at it. Here's all the data, here's how I got all the data. You can try, any way you can. See what you can do with it. So that leads into hypothesis testing. How you want to devise a hypothesis, generally speaking. You're going to have multiple hypotheses. You're going to have and the bottom line is that hypothesis and hypothesis never truly accepted. That's basically it's always there. It's always there. You do it when you sort of validity and have it in the style of the world.